Once again, today is about September 20. So I'm here with Arwin Ergomitaria again. For the Filipino, no? People, please be open-minded. Life is one-time gift, no? So here, no? Study and ideas based on the stress test, visualize for the heart or cardiac muscles, direct exercises. Resulo at least of 13FF, Rodriguez Street, Cebu City, Philippines, 6,000, no? Telephone number with the 253-4581, 0933-268-4853. So here, no? Again, we have the spare parts, repairs for the maintenance, a lot of colors, pedals, and body kissing. So here, at the treating the patient, no? So karon mag-treat ko sa patient. So here, again, no? Again, kung na ako widescreen, no? That's Mary Joy de Los Santos, no? Nga itong gitabangan niya karon na Air Force na siya, na nasa Manila, no? Nag-stay sa Manila. Air Force siya queen of the marathon at the Cebu, Manila, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, and naroon siya sa Air Force, no? Nag-work, no? Again, that's Philippine team in which, no, dirigin na ako siya gitreat nga the way nga sa una nga napili na siyang tabal nga one of the competitor in here nga doy kay because of the injury, no? So diri na to siya gitreat. So here's no among treatment, no, ngani. So here aris sa Mumbalay. So dito 13FF, Rodriguez Street, Cebu City, Philippines, no? Wala tulo ito po number 2534581. And then, no, makita na ito niyo sa Milo champion niya. Again, hindi ginaila na ito in which, no, nga ito is documented siya once the eyes can see and ears can hear, perfect for the brainstem. Ayo ka. And then I would like to thank for the YouTube, Google, Freedom, the Facebook, no, for spreading the good news. Again, nindot mangod baka kita, like pareha sa yung case, no? Pakita na tuon sa iyang case na if siya tao nga makita niya or mga artista ba, celebrity, so mas more siya nga mo trust and faith, no? Kay mo gini ipakita na to trust and faith, kay wagay trust and faith gyud ta kamaayo, no? And then explanation, no? And then pakita na to human anatomy, uniquely kay atong management, no? Dili opera, dili injection, dili medicine. And this is the final, yeah, the final na ko ning kuan nga sa Heart is Pure Care, no? Again, much more fun here in Cebu because we have our airlines, no? The Cebu Pacific Airlines, and we have the mother of all festival, the Sinulog Mardi Gras, and then Heart is Pure Care, no operation, no injection, no medicine, and then the Arwin Ergometer, natambal nga dili tumaron. So kini si Cho karon sa about after niya sa iyahang the whole management, mo lagi to nga mag-Arwin siya, no, we check, no, and then last time is about ya mo duwar gina padol nga ng blood pressure, muubos, peligro, mutaas, nindot, no. Again, many times, no, this is the final, yeah. Again, okay na lagi kung kuhaon ako sa kong master, no? Maadto na ko siyang paradise, okay na ko, I'm done the mission here in the whole world, yeah. Again, it's up to you. Again, thank you.